Well, no surprise that Ian Reeve didn't camp out last night for his cosmetics, which is probably just as well, because it was very, very cold this morning and my car was covered in frost, Jen.
It was indeed, Dawn. It's not going to be as cold as that through the course of the weekend. We'll get to the forecast in just a second. But first of all, it's Friday, and so we are adding a new town to our weather map. So let's have a look at where we're going. And Akeley heads on the weather map, courtesy of Mike. Here it is. What's the weather going to be like here and for the rest of the northeastern Cumbria over the weekend? Well, as Dawn said, it was a frosty start this morning. This was a picture in Dudley and Cramlington at Arcot Hall Golf Club earlier on. Bit of frost on the grass there. And last night we also saw the Northern Lights too, if you were lucky enough to capture a lovely picture like this one in Scarborough. Now tonight there is a small chance that we might see the Northern Lights once again, but it's not likely to be as strong. Now this is the forecast for the weekend. Sunny spells, some rain, and it is going to be milder. So if it was a bit too cold for you this morning, it won't be quite as bad tomorrow or on Sunday. This is how things look then through the rest of this evening and overnight. A bit of cloud just starting to fill in actually as we go through the night, bringing one or two spits and spots of rain to northern parts of Cumbria. And those temperatures overnight for the northeast, it's around 6 or 7 degrees. For Cumbria, 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, so markedly different to how it felt this morning. So Saturday morning, a bit of cloud around, maybe one or two spits and spots of drizzle. Into the afternoon, the wind that we'll be picking up will help to break the cloud up a little bit. So there will be some sunny spells. It should be mostly dry, but there could be one or two spits and spots of rain. And tomorrow's top temperatures somewhere between 16 and 18 degrees, which is much more like the average for this point in September. Then as we head through Saturday night, we have a cold front moving through, and that's going to bring some perhaps longer spells of rain, quite a lot of cloud as well. The wind is still fairly brisk, and those overnight temperatures into Sunday, 12 to 14 degrees, so a much milder night to come. Let's have a look at Sunday then. And we start the morning off with that cold front still in place. So we are expecting some outbreaks of rain, especially across Cumbria first thing Sunday morning. But as you can see, into the afternoon, that cold front starts to move its way southwards, which means we'll get the sunshine coming in behind it. And the rest of Sunday afternoon will be nice, bright, sunny, blue skies, temperatures up to 18 degrees Celsius once again. A little bit breezy Sunday afternoon, but it will feel generally a little bit warmer than it has been. Let's have a look further ahead then into next week. So this is the pressure chart. That's the cold front which is moving through Saturday night into Sunday. Once that clears away, pressure is going to start to build in behind it, and that means it's going to be mostly dry and fairly settled as well. So if I show you the outlook for Monday and Tuesday, we are expecting plenty of sunshine, nothing but sunshine on the outlook actually, which is a welcome change. Temperatures up to 18, 19 degrees. By midweek, we could be back up to 20 Celsius. Dawn.
Balmy. Now, thanks.